Alright, so this is the tutorial on how to get this stuff knocked out. Now, you can do that for any of these files here, any single one of them, because it gives you a lot of options on the placement of the shirts. So let's start with this one. So you want to click on number one. You don't want to do the displays. Just click on number one. So what you're going to do here is you've got the mockup here, which is cool, but we're working really with this. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick your color. For this case, we're going to do the black, and we're not just doing 000. No, we're going to do 1B1919. The reason for that is because with this style of black, you still have some of the textures. You know, you can still see some of those things. If you do the dark, it's going to just disappear. So you want to click on that. Now we're just going to copy that and use the same thing for the rest of them. Alright, for the sleeves, we're going to do the same thing. Just paste the same code in there, or the same hex number. We'll just put the same hex number in there, and now we have a black shirt. Now, just for good measure, if you look at the bottom of this, you can still kind of see a little bit of the white, because if you take this off, you know it's a white shirt, so you can still see a little bit of that. So what I would do is I just click on that, you know, make sure it's clicked, and I'll move this shirt up. So I just move the design up. Now you see it's gone, the edge is gone. Okay, so now we have a black shirt. Very simple. Now, so you just simply add your design here, open, you take this out, take away the placeholder, and let's pick out a design. For this case, we're just going to go and just pick out a design, you know, anyone we want to use. For this case, we'll just pick let's see, let me find my t-shirt stuff, and we're just going to go and we're just going to pick one. Let's do this one. Why not? I like this design, and we're just going to put this in here. Now the good thing about this is you can see how it looks on the shirt, and you just, you know, you don't want that there, so we're just gonna bring this down and bring this like this, maybe like that. Good, and there we go. Now you want to take away this because that's just for the positioning. You want to close this. Save changes before closing. No, you don't want to save the changes. Actually, let's do this. You might want to save the changes. I think you might want to save the changes. So what we'll do here again now is we're just gonna put this shirt again, just to, okay, and we're gonna do this like this, and we're just gonna bring this here. Okay, we're gonna position this again here. All right, wherever I want to make it look, and we're just gonna put that in there, make that look good. Okay, and now we'll just take this up, and then we'll just simply go down to close this out, save rectangle, and we'll do yes. And 5 okay. Now, but we don't want to save this, we just cancel. All right, you don't have to save it, just cancel. Now the design is on there. See that? Now we've got the design on it. Now the design is on the black shirt. There we go. Now, to make this even better, if you want to do something even cooler, what you could easily do is this. And to make it a lot easier so that you don't have to do this all the time for each one, all this, you take all the layers that you currently have, and you just simply duplicate all the layers, right? Duplicate all the layers. You just cancel. Oh, actually, let's do this. All right, so we do that. So you just simply do that. You duplicate the next layer, which is Control J. You duplicate this one, Control J. Duplicate this one, Control J. Right? So now we have all these layers together. So we're just going to put all these ones together. 1, 2, and 3. So now we have, and we're just going to bring this down here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are the duplicates that we have, right? And what we're simply going to do is we're just going to create a convert to a simple, smart object, and then we're just going to rasterize this layer, and we're just going to call this what? Black. Now you don't have to change the colors all the time for black. Now simply all you have to do with black is just do this, and now you have black. Take this out, now you have black. So you do the same thing for whatever colors you want. You want purple, let's pick out a good purple color. Let's see if we got purple. You want to make sure it fits the shirts. So you want to make sure you have the right hex for a purple shirt. You don't want it too bright, because then it's not going to be a realistic shirt. So what I typically do is I have this color code here, this eyedropper, and I go and I do something like I'll go to, like, let's say a Teespring, and I'll go to like a Teespring campaign, and I'll just do a Teespring Discover kind of campaign, because I want to try to find a purple shirt. I want to see if I can find a purple shirt. And I'm okay, I can't find a purple shirt here. Let's see if I can find a purple shirt. All right. There isn't a lot of purple. Purple isn't a very high selling color even for women. A lot of women don't buy purple like that, but sometimes some of them buy it. So that's the reason why, if it fits the color, if it fits the design, sure, we can do it, but it's not compulsory, and it's not something that we have to. You know what, I'm just gonna do Teespring purple, and I'm just gonna do, let's see if we can find a purple shirt. Okay, so we see a lot of Teespring purple shirts here, right? So for this, all I have to do is just try to find the hex, try to find the code, so that I can at least get a good purplish color code, so I can get something that at least looks realistically like a shirt. So that because if you do something unrealistic, then it looks unrealistic. That's the reason why I like the black. The black looks realistic. So what we're gonna do here is just gonna paste that in here. Now that looks like a realistic shirt, right? So we're gonna do the same thing with this one too. Just paste that in there. Oh, see that? Well, guess what? For some reason, it seems. Wow, well, that's nice. So it seems that when I made this duplicate, it has it has everything I need here, right? So it has everything I need here. So all I simply do with this one now is just I pasted the color, and everything's ready to go. So for this one, I really didn't need to do a lot of the other things. Why? Because it was already ready to go, So now I've got this purple. I've got purple, right? So now all I simply do with this one is I just simply, what I simply do with this one now, I'll just simply do something like duplicate layer. Or not even duplicate layer, just do J. And now if I want this to be blue, I simply have to look for a blue shirt, right? So let's go here and look for Teespring navy. And I'm just gonna pick out a navy shirt and see if we can get the code for this one too. And There we are. See if I can get the code for this one. And there we go. So now I have this. Now is this a navy blue? No, this is not a navy blue, man. This is that's not a navy blue. Yeah, this is gonna be like a royal blue. This would be royal, I think. Yeah, this is deep royal. So this is deep royal and this is navy. So this is navy and this is deep royal. All right. So what I'm gonna do with this one now, I'm just gonna copy the navy here, and I'm just gonna do the navy. So I might just send you this file, but here's the thing. I'm showing you how to do it so you can do it for the other designs. You can do it because there's a whole folder of this stuff, so that it's easier for you, so you can learn how to, you know, do the stuff. It's not that difficult. So this is what. So we're gonna just call this is navy. And bam, we've got navy. So now we're just gonna duplicate this, and actually we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna J to that, and we're gonna create we're gonna do one for royal, right? And we're gonna go to this one. This was the one, I think this was the one we had. Yeah, and we're just gonna do royal, and we'll just do, and there we go, and that's royal. So now we have royal. And what other color did we say? I think I gave you very specific colors, and I said the black, navy, purple, and maybe royal. So with that, we already have all the colors. We have all the colors ready to go. Now we have black, we have black, we have royal, we have navy, and we have purple. So every color that you need is there now. All right, now you simply have to take this design that you have here and put it in the mockup for the site, because I gave you a different mockup for the site, and that mockup has a and that mockup has a size that it needs to fit. So you just have to fit this into that size for the mockup and make sure the design is in there, or else this design is going to be way too big to put on the website. So you want to take this design and put it in that mockup, you know, for every shirt that you have, you know, and add it to the mockup for the shirts called it V-neck. And also, you know, you might want to do what I've just done now with some of the other templates for the V-neck, because they are different, you know, templates for it, but I just made this one to show you. But this is one you can do right now, and it's already ready for you to go. You just simply now just, you know, from now on, all you have to do is just go here and just change the designs, right? And now you can just add a new design in here. Let's do a new design. Let's do something entirely new, and let's do this one. And now you can just check it out. You see, hey, it's gonna be way too big on the shirt, so you can just bring it down here. Now, okay, yeah, that's gonna be better. You want to make sure it's aligned in the middle. Yep. And voila. So now we take this out, close that, save. Yeah, sure, why not? And cancel. And voila, there you go. The design is now on the shirt, right? Design is now on the shirt. You put that in a blue, it's there. You put that in royal blue, it's there. Black, voila, it's there. And that's it. It looks good. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to send this particular PSD to you, and hopefully this helps. Thanks.